Hey, I'm here with Martin, who's a speaker at Brewing Agile 2024. You want to tell us a little bit about what your talk's about and why you're passionate about it?
Yes, for sure. Uh, so I will have a talk about holistic product discovery, and that's a big topic to cover in a few minutes, but I'll try. So I'm passionate about it because I see a lot of waste out there, and people are building things that nobody wants. People are building features that just go and die, etc. And there are many proven ways to reduce that kind of waste. Um, some people do try to do something about it. They do some discovery, which means trying to find out what the actual problem is that you're trying to solve for, and not just building because it's fun. But the people who try, they usually do this fairly randomly, unfocused, unstructured, etc. So it becomes waste in a sort as well. Um, so a few years back, or quite many years back now, I came up with an approach, an easy, structured approach, still agile, not binding is the idea. So it looks like a structure, a framework, but it's more of a guardrail on a road, you know. No, it's not a self-driving car. It's a guardrail. That's where it is. And so, yeah, I even wrote a book about it because that's how passionate I am about it. Um, and it feels important. And now some bigger names in the industry, such as Marty Kagan, are talking about it as well quite a lot. If we want what's called business agility, we need to have some sort of control on how we solve problems as well as how we build things. So that's the talk I'm giving.
That sounds great. I know a lot of people will be interested in that. And you're also holding a workshop. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah. Uh, so to it connects pretty well into the talk, even if it looks like it's a totally different subject. Um, if you want good results in anything, you basically need diverse perspectives. That's a fact. So if we take product discovery as an example, you need to understand business value, you need to understand the user value of a thing, you need to understand the technical feasibility. All of that is required to get the impact you're looking for. And one single person can't keep track of that. So you need to be more people involved. It's not a one person shop, basically. So all of a sudden you need to collaborate well because all of these topics are of equal or similar value. So you need to be good at compromising, etc. And that means um, that collaboration is key to get the results you want. And it depends. The kind of collaboration depends on people, the context, the possibilities you get in actually collaborating, blockers, simple things like are you in a open space environment and can't really talk to each other in fear of disturbing other people. So this workshop will give you a bunch of tools around that. It will give you both the understanding for different types of collaboration, which fits different circumstances, and it will give you some actual, what should we call them, capabilities uh, for collaborating better in any context. I think. So you don't have to be a product discovery person to join the workshop. It's any kind of collaboration you do, and I bet that most people collaborate.
I mean, I would hope so, at least. Um,
Yeah, exactly.
that sounds great. We look forward to having you in November and seeing everybody there.
Fantastic. I look forward to it too.
Thanks so much.
Thanks.